Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create the material delivery note for your company in the Excel sheet. So let's start. So first of all, you have to add the company logo here at the top, then followed by you have to add the material delivery note. You have to write here in this box, okay. Then followed by project, the project name. Here you have to specify your overall scope of the project, the full project name. And here we have to add the in which scope you are working with your customer, so whether in electrical field or whether it's from civil or mechanical, you have to specify in which scope you are working with your customer. So here we have the customer reference. The customer reference is usually like your PO number or project code for internal tracking, so you have to add here the purchase order number here, then followed by the delivery type. So delivery type, in which way you are delivering your consignment. You have to specify the whether it's partial delivery or full delivery, complete delivery or self pickup. So you have to specify in this box here. Then you have to add the date here, location of your project here, and MDN, it means material delivery note number. So if any, you have to specify in this box here. Customer name of your customer, the company in which you are working with, you have to specify in this box here. The contact number of your customer, you have to specify here. Then moving down, we have the table of the line item table for each line item. So you have the serial here, and you have to add the description of your item here, then brand or vendor name, then part number, then quantity, then unit, then remarks, if any. So this is the, for each line item you have to add the all of the detail of the items or consignment. So moving down, we have the person who sent the consignment to the customer. This box is for the person who dispatched the consignment. So first he has to put the company seal or logo here, and then the name, designation, signature, and the date. And this box is specifically for the receiver's end. The person who receives the consignment, he has to fill this up. So he should stamp here of his company, and then name, designation, signature, and the date. So it's a simple template, so it might help for you to manage your delivery consignments. If you want to add the dotted line for the box, you have to go to format cell. You can easily manage here border, so you can select this, want to change the style of this, and you can simply go to here for border configuration, you can select this one. So quite beautiful and handsome sheet, you can see that. So hope you enjoyed the video. Keep subscribing, sharing, and stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching. Thank you.